guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. So we've seen that this week there was some sort of profit booking declines in the market. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. Talking about Nifty, we have seen 22,000 marks was seen as a resistant level over here. Even though support-based buying was seen, but follow-up action was missing at higher zones. So some sort of range-bound move, tug-of-war between the bulls and the bears. But then again, overall, we've seen that the market breadth is now becoming slightly weak, which is a little cause of concern. But overall, if we talk about the levels, 22,000 would be the next level to watch out for on the upside, while 21,550 as a crucial support zone. Talking about Bank Nifty, we have seen underperformance clearly continuing over here. But during the end of the week, we saw that the private banks have now come in front foot and shown some sort of strength over here. Although PSU banks were aiding to the strength, but then private banks have shown some sort of buying at the lower levels. So overall, Bank Nifty is also looking for a range-bound move because momentum is clearly missing in the market. Now, talking about levels per se, on the upside, we are looking at 46,250 as a crucial resistance level and 45,250 as a crucial support zones. India VIX has surged above 16 zones during this week, which has caused some sort of swings in the market. Now, sector-specific action, we must look out for some of the CPSE names, especially PSU banking names. Also, some of the hotel companies are looking quite positive. And don't miss out the action in selective auto and cement space counters. Thank you. See you next week.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.